Good morning, friends. Hi, friends. Today we are making coffee filter flowers. A bouquet of these is the perfect Mother's Day gift. All you need for this activity is coffee filters, watercolor, and pipe cleaners.
And we have put a tray underneath so that our watercolor does not spill.
First, we are going to use our watercolor to paint our filters, and then we're going to let them dry. When they're all dry, we're going to make flowers with the pipe cleaners. All right, let's get started. I'm gonna start with the color blue. What color are you gonna start with, Miss Limora?
I'm gonna start with the color yellow.
All right. Ooh.
I'm so excited to see these.
Cool, this is gonna be so special. Now I'm gonna use some pink.
Miss Laela, can I please have the blue?
This project can also be done with paper towels.
Yes, it can, that's true.
If you don't have coffee filters, paper towels work as well.
I can't wait to see the flowers that you make at home.
Now we have our coffee filters painted. We have to let them dry and then we can show you how to make the flowers. Our coffee filters are dry.
Look at these beautiful
Look at how
colors.
beautiful those colors mixed together. You can see the yellow and the pink and the blue.
And now it's time to turn them into flowers. I'm so excited.
So to turn them into flowers, you're gonna take the middle, and you can do this with paper towels as well. You take the middle and you pull it out like this. And look, it looks like a flower. And then we're gonna take our pipe cleaner and we're gonna twist it around the bottom, just like this. Just like this. There it is. There's one flower.
Amazing. Let's make our second one.
Okay, and remember, you take it from the middle and you pull it through. And then you take your pipe cleaner and you twist it around.
Twist, twist, twist.
And now we have a beautiful bouquet of flowers that you made all by yourself.
My friends, we hope that you enjoy making these bouquets of flowers for your mommies for Mother's Day. We miss you and we will see you tomorrow for another video.
Bye.
Bye, friends.